How to use filters during Facebook Live in 2025. Okay, so I tried using filters on Facebook Live and here's what I found. Facebook officially removed support for built in filters and Spark AR effects earlier this year. So you can't use those face masks or AR overlays directly in the app anymore. But if you still want filters while streaming, there's a workaround using third party tools like Filter on Me. Basically, you install the app on your computer, choose your camera, apply your filter, then set Filter on Me as your video source before you go live on Facebook. It acts like a virtual webcam, so Facebook picks up whatever you're showing through it, filters and all. It works both for PC and Mac, and it's a solid fix if you want to keep things look polished on stream. Just make sure your setup's ready before you hit that go live button because you can't change it midstream. So yeah, Facebook may have removed filters, but you've still got options.